Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to teach some reasons. Why should you include beetroot juice in your diet? For glowing skin. Certainly. Here are 10 reasons why beetroot juice may contribute to glowing skin. Rich in antioxidants. Beetroot juice contains antioxidants like vitamin C and betalains, which help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress, resulting in a healthier and more radiant complexion. Natural detoxification. The detoxifying properties of beetroot juice can support the body's natural detoxification processes, helping to flush out toxins that can otherwise contribute to dull and lackluster skin. Improved blood circulation. The nitrates present in beetroot juice have been associated with improved blood flow, which means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your skin cells. This enhanced circulation can give your skin a healthy, rosy glow. Hydration benefits. With its high water content, beetroot juice can help hydrate your skin from within, promoting plumpness and reducing the appearance of dryness and fine lines. Nourishing vitamins and minerals. Beetroot juice contains essential vitamins and minerals, including folate, potassium, and iron. These nutrients are important for maintaining optimal skin health and can contribute to a radiant complexion. Collagen production support. Beetroot juice is a good source of vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein that helps maintain skin elasticity and firmness, resulting in a youthful and glowing appearance. Anti-inflammatory properties. The betalains found in beetroot juice have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help calm skin irritation, redness, and acne. This can contribute to a clearer and more even skin tone. Natural skin brightening. The natural pigments present in beetroot juice can help brighten your skin tone, giving it a healthy and radiant appearance. Improved digestion. A healthy digestive system is linked to better skin health. Beetroot juice, with its fiber content, can support digestion and gut health, potentially reflecting positively on your skin. Overall well-being. Drinking beetroot juice as part of a balanced and nutritious diet can contribute to your overall health and well-being. When your body is healthy and functioning optimally, it often reflects on your skin, leading to a natural glow. Thank you for watching. And please hit the subscribe button. If this video helps you, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends.